ripe tomatoes, a crisp cucumber, some red onion, some pepperoncini for that little bit of zing, some fresh basil. Do not forget the fresh basil. We got some nice olive oil, a little bit of red wine vinegar, salt and pepper. That's all you need to make my wife's perfect tomato salad. I'm gonna show you how to make it. I'm Dave, you're watching Dave's Taste Buds, and welcome back. I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect side dish on a hot summer day, and it is the tomato salad. Look, I really wanted to get these tomatoes from out in my garden, but they're just not quite there yet. They're still green, they're just not ready to go anywhere close. So I grabbed some store-bought tomatoes. They're really nice. It's a nice big supermarket. You can use any tomatoes you want, plum, beefsteak, tomatoes on the vine, whatever you want to do. Just make sure they're ripe, okay? And then get yourself all the other ingredients, cucumbers, basil especially, red onion, salt and pepper, olive oil. It's so simple and so easy, and there's no perfect ratio to this. It really goes on how you like it. If you want more pepperoncinis, add more. If you want less, use less. Basil, you can add other herbs to it if you want, Italian seasoning, whatever you want to do. I started off with, this is 4 tomatoes. Put those in. Diced up fresh cucumber. I also like to cut them up to look like that. It's just the size I like. I like everything to be chopped kind of the same size. If you don't, slice them. Dice them up smaller, whatever you want to do. Cucumbers going in. Red onion, same thing. You can slice them really thin if you want. Some people like really shaved onion in here. That's nice too. I like everything kind of to fit on my fork. Just nice. Basil. I got the basil from my garden. It was fresh, it was ready to be picked. So I picked it, brought it inside, and I'm gonna tear it up. I prefer when it comes to something like this to tear it instead of chopping it up. The pepperoncinis, I like a bunch of pepperoncinis. Again, it's up to you. I think it gives it that nice brightness, that nice zing. If you've watched a lot of my other videos, which hopefully you have, if not, make sure you check them out. I'm not a huge vinegar fan, so I like to use red wine vinegar with this. I don't use a bunch because there's also a lot of vinegar in the pepperoncinis too, so sometimes I let them kind of counteract and do the work together. So again, personal preference. Get yourself a nice olive oil. The amounts that I'm using here are in the description below, and you know, like I said, feel free, mix it up. Do what you want. Some nice olive oil in there. Little bit of red wine vinegar. It's good enough for me. Little salt. Pull everything together. Little pepper as always. Not too much. And now, you've got all your ingredients for your tomato salad. Let's give this a little toss. Plus, I like when there's a little bit of extra olive oil and the vinegar at the bottom, because you know, you eat this with a nice baguette, piece of sourdough, piece of Italian bread, scally bread, anything you got laying around. You eat this with a nice piece of bread, you sop up a little bit of that juice with that bread. You better yet, you take a little scoop, put it on the bread, eat it that way. Oh, it's amazing. So as you can see, we've got everything really nice in our bowl. Now you don't want to eat this right away, as hard as it is. Like anything else, the longer you let it sit, it's going to pull the flavors together. So I'm going to pop this in the fridge for probably half an hour, if I can even wait that long. And then I'm going to take it out and we're going to taste it. So just sit tight for 1 second. While you're waiting, comment, like, hit subscribe. When you hit subscribe now, it does this little celebratory ribbon thing. So check it out. And yeah, sit tight. I'll be right with you. So the half an hour has gone by, and this is so ready to be eaten. All the flavors have really come together nice. I mean, take a look at how delicious. Picture this on a hot summer day. You've got even if you have a cheeseburger sitting there and the cheese is melted on the side and everything's looking perfect. You got a little bit of this on the side. Oh, this is just fantastic. And I seem to have forgotten to get a fork. So I'm gonna get a fork. Like I said, I like to cut up everything the same size. So So I can just take my fork, do that, make sure I get a little bit of everything on there. Did I get an onion on there? Yeah, it's on there. Let's check it out. It's so crisp, it's so fresh, it's so delicious. It's got the sweetness from the tomatoes. It's got a nice crunch from the It's got the sweetness from the tomatoes. You get a nice crisp crunch from the cucumbers. You get a little bite from the pepperoncinis. The onions pull the flavor together. The basil is just all throughout. A little bit of salt and pepper just to pull it together, and it is fantastic. So do yourself a favor, make this salad for the next time you need a cool dish on the side. Just make this. So thanks for watching. Do me a favor, watch this video. YouTube thinks you're gonna like that. I got videos down here. Subscribe, like, comment, and after you're done doing all that, go cook something.